Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So right now, I am just showing you guys the wig that I will be working with in today's video. So this video is sponsored by Wigcool. So you guys, they did send over this 613 blonde wig for me to try out for you guys. So I did go in and tone it. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like when it first came. So this is the bag it actually came in, and these are the goodies that it came with as well. A wig band, a edge brush and comb, lashes, and your wig cap as well. So this is what my wig is looking like after I let it air dry and toned this wig, you guys, with my Shimmer Light shampoo. So I'm just showing you all the construction of this wig. It comes with the reed combs, an elastic band, as well as an adjustable band, so you can customize this wig to your head size. So I did go in and cut off my air tabs. This wig did come big head friendly, which is a plus. So this wig is also pre-plucked, and it is 22 inches and it is 13 by 6. So I was just showing you guys that you do get a lot of parting with this wig. Y'all, this wig was really soft. I did not get any type of shedding. This wig did not come with a smell as well, so that was another plus for this unit. But overall, I really do like the color, and I love the texture of this wig. Is so soft, y'all, for real. I just could not stop running my fingers through it. I did go in and put a little bit of makeup on the wig as well as my wig cap. So right here, I am going in with my wax stick as well as my hot comb to make this wig as flat as possible before I go in and start curling it. Alright, you guys, so right now I'm just going to be adding my dough of glue, and I'm going to be adding about 3 to 4 layers. I'm debating, should I flat iron it or should I curl it? Your girl really wants some curls, so I think we're going to curl it how this band sits.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
I will have all of the company's information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out. So let's go ahead and get back into the video.
Trusted, I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. I know you what you want.
Alright, you guys, so I love this wig so much. I love how my curls came out. I did put a couple of layers to frame my face. Yeah, I love how the color actually came out with me using my shimmering light shampoo, you guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I styled this hair, you guys. I really love how loose the curls are. I didn't want anything super tight. I think I'm going to try it as a middle part, and if I do, you guys, I'm going to insert that clip so that way you guys can see it both ways, middle part and side part, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.